Meaning of Fredericton.
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 Fredericton. Fredericton is the capital city of the Canadian province of New Brunswick. The name Fredericton is believed to be named after Prince Frederick Augustus, Duke of York and Albany, second son of King George III. The city is located in the central part of the province, with a population of approximately 58,000 people. Fredericton is known for its historical architecture, abundant green spaces, and vibrant cultural scene. It is also home to two universities, the University of New Brunswick and St. Thomas University, as well as numerous research institutions and government agencies.